Today we are going to make pudding. Preheat the oven to 180 Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl and beat the eggs. Warm up 300 ml of milk and add 25 grams of sugar. Stir and make sure sugar all dissolved. Make sure the milk is not too hot. We don't want the eggs to be cooked. Add the sweet milk into the eggs. Mix up using a fork. Filter the mixture to make it more smooth. Put the mixture into small oven-safe cups. Oh, I guess we only need 3 containers. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. Wow, looks so nice. That's all for our easy recipe for making pudding. Thanks for watching our video. We release videos every week. If you like more contents like this, smash the thumbs up and subscription button below. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one. Bye bye.